This is intense. Now, welcome to the world's loudest neighborhood as I sit here and I show you my camping tent. The one that I use almost every time I go out and go camping when I use that bag. Now, I have a bigger tent that's it's a cheaper one that is just one of those cheap square dome tents. And it works fantastically as long as the wind isn't blowing too hard, because then it'll just blow on you. But this one, on the other hand, works pretty damn good even when the wind's blowing. It doesn't blow away. But let's see if I can get this on camera. Pull this up. Oh, you can't see into that side. As you can see, there's sand on top of it. There's also sand on the inside of it. Ah, crap. As you can see, it's full of sand at the moment. And the reason why it's full of sand has nothing to do with me tracking it in. It has to do with these flaps right here. I had this thing staked into the ground pretty good. When the wind started blowing, it blew the sides of this up. And it blew sand in there, and I freaking had my pillow in there with my freaking cigarette sitting on it. And when I picked them up, they had an outline of the freaking red sand that I had over at Lake Powell in them. So this tent wasn't exactly the most ideal for that camping trip, except for the fact that it didn't blow away. Now, the other thing about it is they don't make this one anymore. It's a Golden Bear bivy tent. I would like a tent that's a bit bigger, one that still fits into my assault pack, not assault pack, my rucksack. I'm just wondering, do you guys have any suggestions of a better tent? I mean, like, I was looking at some Ozark Trail ones. They got one that's like $75 that looks like it'd be perfect. I mean, like, this tent would be better if it had one more tent peg right here to hold the cover down on the side so it didn't blow up and gets full of sand. But other than that, this tent's been pretty awesome. I'm probably going to keep it until it falls apart, but I would like something that I could sit up in, something a little bit bigger, something under 5 pounds. If you got any suggestions, let me know.